Tonight I'm here in Manchester at the Trafford Centre for their 2018 Christmas light switch on. Now, as many different shopping centres throughout the UK prepare for the festive season, of course there's going to be lots of different Christmas light switch on events, and I thought I'm going to go to a few of them and share them here on Adventure Sean. Tonight starting off here at my favourite shopping centre in the UK, located just outside the centre of Manchester. Quite easy to get here. You can either drive here, there's plenty of free parking spaces, you can get bus transportation from the centre of Manchester, and they're currently building a metro link as well to actually join the centre of Manchester here to the Trafford Centre. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, this shopping centre. It opened in 1998, and it's not just your standard shopping centre, because look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. You've got all the palm trees, all the marble feel to it. It looks fantastic, and you're greeted as soon as you walk in through the Orient entrance doors here into the Great Hall and this humongous chandelier. Look at that. I mean, this is how glamorous it looks all throughout the year. This is not anything to do with Christmas around this area, but yes, it is the Christmas light switch on. So I've got about half an hour to go until it begins, so I'm going to make my way to the main dome, which is right in the centre of the Trafford Centre, ready for tonight's celebrations. There's no celebrities switching on the Christmas lights here, but they have got a gospel choir, and I think it'll be quite a nice festive way to get me into the Christmas season. It's the first thing I've done of this Christmas so far. It's Thursday the 8th of November, and bring it on. I look forward to sharing some highlights here on Adventure Sean. Let's go.
Please welcome to the main dome, Manchester Camerata and the AMC Gospel Choir. the Into Trafford Centre Christmas Light Switch On 2018. Thank you for coming.
So you've just seen highlights there from the Christmas Light Switch On 2018 here at the Trafford Centre, and that sounded absolutely epic, especially with you being in the dome. It meant that the sound was just bounced off the walls and that glass roof, really good. And I managed to get in quite early at the front. I had to wait about 20 minutes just to get to the front there, but not too bad at all. I'd much rather be there and I've got the angle, but I did. I like how they use the escalators as well, and had the guys on the trumpets who were on the escalators up there, and the trombones and violins. There was all sorts in that. It sounded absolutely awesome. When they said they're having a gospel choir, I didn't think it was going to be on quite that scale. Absolutely fantastic. And if they do that sort of event again next year, and you are looking at coming, you want to get there about half an hour early just to make sure you get in right at the front, because obviously crowd control, especially with being in an open shopping centre in quite a small area, it is quite hard for them to manage. So get in there nice and early, then you're guaranteed to get a good view. I know up until a couple of years ago, they actually used to do the big switch on in here in the Orient, where they used to get celebrities in to come and do it. I think they had like Peter Andre and stuff over the years. And in a way that does make more sense, because they've got a stage area down the bottom just there. And it's just overall a lot bigger area for doing it. But of course, with them having the gospel choir, I can completely understand why they did it in there. The acoustics are absolutely beautiful and it sounded great. Of course, now the lights are on, let's go for a walk around the Trafford Centre and I'll show you some highlights from the Christmas lights here for 2018. Doesn't the Trafford Centre look absolutely beautiful at Christmas? Really love the amount of Christmas lights there is, both indoors and outdoors here at the centre. It looks absolutely magical. I like how they've got the Ferris wheel, they've got a carousel and stuff out there as well, like a little version of a Christmas market. Well, it's not actually open yet at the time of recording this video, but that's set to open in the next few days. Along with that, I really like the themes of the lights that you've got as well. In the Orient, of course, the big food court. In there, yes, you're on a ship, but it's like you feel really really cold in there because you've got these big snowflakes with like an ice white colour and a blue feel to them. And then of course you make your way through to other areas and it's a lot warmer throughout the shopping centre using warm white LEDs. I like the spinning lights, what you've got there as well. I just think it looks really nice and fits the classy feel of the Trafford Centre. All the gold, what they've got, everything's just really nicely put together. The one thing I felt that the overall Christmas lights lack here at the Trafford Centre is just a main focal Christmas tree. There's a lot of little ones everywhere, and I really like the ones on the car park because you saw just what they hang from the main light posts. But yeah, it just misses a big Christmas tree. And they used to actually have, they had the Singing Bears, which used to be in the shopping centre, and then they moved them to Barton Square. Obviously, with all the development work happening at Barton Square, they've not got those at the moment. Well, they've not had them for a couple of years. I'd like to see those come back. And also the singing Christmas tree, pretty sure it was still there last year, but they've not got that either this year, which is a shame, because it was the main Christmas tree that was huge, and yeah, it was singing as well, and they've not got that. So it's a shame, but hopefully that might come back for next year's event. But there you go. Thank you very much for joining me here on Adventure Shorten for a look at the Christmas light switch on here at the Into Trafford Centre in Manchester. There's going to be a few other videos as well coming up over Christmas, all to do with Christmas lights. So if you like that just as much as I do, check them out. And also, the reason I've come over here to Barton Square is that I've done a special video all about the construction taking place here at Barton Square. They're putting a big domed roof on it, a big glass roof, which is going to make an indoor shopping area instead of outside, which I'm sure will attract a lot more people and a lot more retailers as well. But there you go. Thank you very much for joining me for another adventure here on Adventure Sean, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy November. There'll be plenty of Christmas videos to come, and stay tuned for those here on the channel. That means it's time for you guys to go out there and have your own adventure. See you soon.